Hi, I'm Michael Vesio from the Section 2 Fundamentals of Physics class, and I have chosen to do the project called Heat. Yes, heat. In this project, you will need one AA battery, aluminum foil, a pair of scissors, and a ruler. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a 6-inch long, 1-inch wide piece of aluminum foil. And then I'm going to fold it over a couple times till it looks a little bit like this. The purpose of this aluminum foil wire we have created is to produce a path through which electrons can travel. The electrons are going to move out of the negative end of the battery through the wire and back into the positive end of the battery. As you see me holding this aluminum foil to the battery, this wire essentially is what we've created. It's getting hot, and it's getting hotter and hotter as the electrons transfer from one side to the next. Where can you see this in your everyday life, you ask? Great question. Well, if you take a look at your light bulbs, notice there's a little wire coil thing inside, and that would be acting as our aluminum foil wire. And the electrons in a light bulb flow through a wire just like this, except if this were in the light bulb right now, it'd be getting so hot to the point where it actually gave off light. And thank God it's not getting that hot right now, or else I'd be pretty burnt. What have we learned today? Well, plenty. 1, touching this wire to both ends of this battery, or any battery really, creates a path through which electrons can travel, or also known as an electric circuit. The electrons move out of the negative end of the battery, through the wire and back into the positive end of the battery. The movement of the electrons causes this to get very hot. I didn't put it on the video, but there were some scenes where I got a little bit burnt. Don't worry about it. You've also learned that in a light bulb that you will see in your everyday life has the same principle. Just think of the coil as the aluminum foil wire, and the electrons flowing through it make the coil so hot that it becomes incandescent. That means it gets so hot that it's to the point where it gives off light.